Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Looking for a pocket hole jig kit that can keep up with your toughest projects? Our high-quality kit is crafted with a CNC precision-machined aluminum alloy body that features a smooth, durable finish, ensuring lasting performance and resistance to both wear and corrosion. It even comes with a stainless steel extension rod for extra support, so you can easily secure long wooden boards with confidence and achieve a perfectly steady drill every time. The system offers an adjustable drilling depth from 1/2 inch to 1/2 inches, clearly marked with dual metric indicators. Simply slide the marked slider to dial in your desired depth with ease. The specialized 2-step drill bit is titanium plated and equipped with a stop ring to maintain the correct angle, ensuring smooth, precise drilling without tearing or deviation. Plus, the chip removal outlet efficiently clears wood chips to prevent clogging. Versatile in design, the jig can double as an angled hole clamp tool, making it an ideal, portable solution for use with a C-clamp on any job. Introducing a game-changing tool that meets the rigorous ASTM F1807 standard, a must-have for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This versatile device features an interchangeable jaw set available in 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch sizes, all integrated into a compact 1-inch design. Its precision-engineered jaws make it perfect for fastening PEX pipes to brass or poly fittings using copper crimp rings, ensuring a secure and lasting connection every time. But that's not all. The set also comes with a dedicated crimp ring removal tool, ideal for effortlessly removing copper rings ranging from 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Additionally, a go-no-go gauge paired with a spanner is included, specially designed to access narrow spaces and streamline pipe maintenance tasks. With this comprehensive toolset at your fingertips, tackling intricate plumbing challenges has never been easier or more efficient. Step up your pipe cutting game with this versatile 2-inch metal pipe cutter tool, designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Outfitted with razor-sharp SKD cutter wheels and 6 high-density ball-bearing rollers, it grips pipes whether metal, stainless steel, or copper with confidence, eliminating the frustrations of uneven cuts caused by unstable clamping. Crafted from a high-density yet lightweight aluminum alloy, this copper pipe cutter promises durability and longevity without sacrificing portability. Its stainless steel cutter, enhanced by the smooth action of ball bearings, delivers efficient, clean cuts every time. While minor burrs are inevitable, the built-in deburring tool reamer with a robust plastic body and high-speed steel blade smooths both the inner and outer edges to prevent scratches. For added comfort and precision, the brass pipe cutter features a bottom knob that provides a firm, ergonomic grip, enabling quick adjustments and secure clamping. Discover a new level of efficiency with the CrewWorks manual wire stripping machine, a versatile tool designed to breathe new life into scrap wires. Its user-friendly design features an easy-to-handle hand crank that powers a precision steel blade, effortlessly removing insulation from wires. For an even quicker process, simply attach your power drill and enjoy automatic cranking. Engineered for versatility, the machine comes with 3-feed hole plates that accommodate wires ranging from 0.06 inch to 1 inch, making it safe and simple to work with the most common sizes. With a handy adjustment knob, you can set the blade height to perfectly match your project needs before feeding your leftover cable through the appropriate hole and turning the crank to strip off insulation. The robust alloy steel blade stays sharp for clean, accurate cuts every time, while the reinforced aluminum frame guarantees durability and long-lasting performance. A heavy-duty dolly for strength and ease of use. Constructed from thickened carbon steel, this dolly resists deformation, while its reinforced steel base offers unbeatable stability. The widened, thickened silent rubber wheels glide smoothly over surfaces without marring floors, and an extended carbon steel pry bar gives you extra leverage, making it effortless to lift heavy objects. Safety is a priority here. The pry bar comes with self-adhesive rubber anti-slip pads to keep items secure and scratch-free, while 4 additional velvet anti-slip pads on the Dolly panels ensure your load stays put during transport. A larger load-bearing panel, complete with a central fifth wheel, boosts its capacity, and an L-shaped retaining edge minimizes accidental slippage. 2 locking switches let you fix the Dolly in place, and an anti-pressure tow hook protects your fingers during use. Whether you're moving beds, sofas, tables, closets, refrigerators, or washing machines, this versatile tool is ideal for wood floors, tile, and low-pile carpets alike. Tired of struggling with uneven picture placements? Meet Go Hang It, the innovative tool that transforms the art of hanging frames into a simple, stress-free experience. Whether you're prepping for a wedding, celebrating a housewarming, or tackling a DIY project, this tool ensures every nail hole is marked with flawless precision. No more guesswork or repeated measuring. Our patented magnetic keys lock into place until you're ready to use them, making it effortless to mark locations on single-tooth, standard sawtooth hangers, or D-hooks. Plus, built-in hooks simplify aligning wire-hung pictures, ensuring everything looks just right. With a detachable level for perfect alignment and an included push pin for precise marking, hanging your favorite artwork becomes a breeze. Packaged in a well-organized hardware case that even offers extra storage, Go Hang It is the ultimate must-have accessory. Proudly invented in the USA, it's the ideal gift for anyone who values convenience and accuracy in home decor. For those who demand reliability and strength in their workshop tools, the Max Power Heavy-Duty F-Clamp is an excellent choice. This welding F-Clamp offers a jaw opening of up to 12 inches and features a generous throat depth of 4 to 3/4 inches, ensuring you have the flexibility needed for a variety of tasks. Constructed from a full-body steel bar, it delivers a clamping pressure of 550 kilograms and is built around a robust rail measuring 7/8 x 27/64 inch. The clamp's swivel pad centers perfectly on your workpiece, providing an even clamping force while protecting the surface from damage. Additionally, the black oxide spindle is designed to resist wear and tear as well as rust, ensuring longevity. With a drop-forged arm that minimizes flex even under heavy loads, this F-clamp stands ready to handle your toughest projects with confidence. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Introducing the SawSet Pro Miter Saw Protractor, a revolutionary tool designed to simplify your cutting tasks and boost your workshop's precision. With its patented no-math scales, this protractor eliminates the need for tedious calculations and guesswork, letting you find the perfect saw settings quickly and accurately. The large, clearly marked scales are the key to its remarkable precision, proving that, when it comes to accuracy, size truly matters. Crafted from rugged ABS plastic, this tool is built to withstand the demands of everyday use without compromising on quality. Whether you're setting up for crown molding miters, handling double or single miters, or working with inside and outside corners, the SawSet Pro rises to the challenge. It's completely hand-powered, you're in full control of every cut. Elevate your craftsmanship with a tool that blends innovation with simplicity for flawless results every time. Looking for a quick and efficient way to handle your caulking projects? The Alway CT31 3-in-1 caulk tool is a real time saver, combining comfort, durability, and versatility in one package. Crafted from strong engineering plastic, it features a soft grip handle that provides a secure hold without straining your hand, even after extended use. When it's time to remove old caulk, simply push or pull the stainless steel blade through tough, dried material. For stubborn residue, the built-in plastic scraper helps clear away debris without scratching your surfaces. Once everything is cleaned up, the rotatable silicone triangle offers 3 bead profiles, letting you apply new caulk with a professional-looking finish. Whether you're sealing windows, bathtubs, or showers, this tool keeps your lines neat and precise. If you want crisp edges and a hassle-free experience, this versatile tool is bound to become your go-to for every caulking job. For those who demand razor-sharp precision, the Ken Onion Edition Munko 2 Knife and Tool Sharpener is a must-have. Designed in collaboration with legendary knife maker Ken Onion, this sharpener brings professional-level results straight to your home or workshop. Using flexible abrasive belts, precision sharpening guides, and electronic speed control, it sharpens every knife you own quickly, easily, and with consistent, repeatable results. Whether you're honing kitchen knives, pocket knives, or even tools, this machine delivers exceptional sharpness with minimal effort. Like all WorkSharp products, the MCAT 2 comes with a comprehensive 3-year warranty and is meticulously designed and quality checked at our facility in Ashland, Oregon. We take pride in crafting high-performance sharpening solutions, sourcing only the best materials from both the USA and trusted global manufacturers. Looking for a compact, powerful, and safe cutting tool? Our battery-powered mini chainsaw is designed with multiple safety features to ensure secure and reliable operation. The security lock prevents accidental starts, adding an extra layer of protection for you and your family. Plus, the 100-degree rotatable top protective baffle keeps sawdust from flying, making your work cleaner and safer. Getting started is effortless. Just install the battery and you're ready to go. We also include an extra chain and the necessary installation tools for easy maintenance. For added safety, simply remove the battery pack when not in use. Powered by two 20-volt lithium-ion batteries with self-overload and temperature protection, this cordless chainsaw delivers longer runtime and efficient cutting performance. Weighing only 2.5 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for women, seniors, or anyone who wants a hassle-free cutting experience. The ergonomic grip reduces fatigue, giving you better control and comfort for any cutting task.